What's going on, guys? It's Reg Mother Flippin' G here, and just start off the thing. I got some bad news, guys. Let me show you. Wow! Look what I did. If you guys have me on Instagram, you would see that kinda messed up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. No, but yeah, guys. So what happened, guys, was that I was going over these train tracks, and I thought that they were like flat or whatever, and I didn't think there was no bumps. So I was like, you know, I'm just go over it real quick. But yeah, apparently it was not flat, and there was a big old pothole in the middle. But yeah, I happened to I went over it like, I wouldn't say I went over it fast, probably went over it like 30-35 miles per hour. But bro, I literally went over it, and it just like, as soon as it dropped, I felt the front drop hard. I was like, ah, shit. So I tried to brake, but it was too late. It just went blah, and it just straight messed it all up. But so I think it burned it too. Look, oh man, I can't see it. Kind of like burned it. But we're gonna take it off right now, and we're gonna be exhaustless for a bit. But I'm gonna see if I can buy it. I saw that the website I got it from, they don't sell that no more, or they're sold out. But I'm gonna try to see what I can do. If not, I just gotta go off of eBay. Alrighty, guys, so we got the car up on jack stands. So as you can see right here, you know, they've got a better view. This thing is just completely messed up. You can see that hole right there. That thing's like pushed in. So right now we're just gonna, what I'm gonna do is basically just take this off, then that pipe off. So probably just be exhaustless for a bit. It's that way till I can get the other one. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Alrighty, guys, now that I took it off, it got kind of dark, so I didn't really film taking this part off. But now that I took it off, you can see the extent of the damage. That thing looks disgusting. And so as you can tell right here, it made a hole right there. I'm pretty sure that's where the impact was when it hit. So I'm pretty sure this thing yanked. It yanked the whole thing. As yeah, I had trouble right here taking this off because it got bent right here. So I had to take that off. It took me a minute. Also right here, you can see in the mid pipe right here that it got hit. It hit against the differential actually, and good thing that thing didn't crack or anything. So it's also a hit right there. It's one of the part of the bodies. But yeah, that thing is freaking loud. I'll show you guys tomorrow. It got dark, so I'll show you guys tomorrow. And time jump. God, this is loud. I haven't even turned it on in a few weeks, and like, I think like a week. But look at this thing. Sounds like a boat.
One eternity later.
What's going on, guys? It's Reg Mother Flippin' G here. Yeah, guys, so today is the day I've been looking forward to, cause guess what we found? We found the fucking exhaust, guys. Yes, guys, so I've been looking for the exhaust to replace the Mazda one. Well, you already know. We've been looking for an exhaust to replace the Mazda one, because you already know I haven't freaking blew off or whatever. But actually I put it on this Facebook group that we're in Dallas, and this guy, I'm meeting up with this guy right now. He's selling an ISR exhaust. It sounds alright. I mean, it doesn't sound bad. I kind of wanted something similar to the Mazda one, but yeah, so that's where we're heading right now. I had to drive like a 40-minute drive over here, because I don't know, I guess that's where the guy I actually seen his car. I don't know if he'll bring it. His Miata, he has a Miata too, it's supercharged. And I don't know if he'll bring it because I saw on his Instagram that he blew a rod through it. So I don't know. Maybe if he brings it, we could take a little look at it or whatever. Ooh, guys, guess what the fuck we just got? Ooh, look at that. Bruh, I had to put the seat up because it was kind of long. But we got it, guys. We got another freaking exhaust. He actually gave me a resonator. I already have one actually. I've been having one. I don't know if you remember that video I made. But yeah, so I might end up just leaving mine on since it's kind of newer. And I might sell the one that he gave me. But yeah, we'll see. Dale, loco, dale! Look at this motherfucker. Alrighty guys, so I already jacked up the car. I got the pieces right there. I actually took off the resonator that I had on there because I already have one and mine is kind of newer. So I'll probably just sell this one or something. Yeah guys, well, honestly, I don't know if it'll sound different. I gotta check it out when we put it on, but I don't know, maybe it'll sound louder, who knows. So we're gonna check that out right now. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do the same as last time. We're gonna connect it to the resonator really quick. We'll see how difficult this was. The guy that sold it to me actually gave us new gaskets, so I'm gonna just use these real quick because the other ones I like threw them away because I was mad. But yeah, he gave us new gaskets and he actually gave us some screws, but one of these hangers fell off, so I'll probably just connect whatever I can, but I just had to buy just one more hanger off of this because the other one flew off when I hit the train tracks or whatever. But alrighty guys, so I got it lined up, so now all I gotta do is tighten it up real quick. Nope. Look at that guy moaning. Alrighty guys, so we already got that side connected. I don't know why that looks like that, but we're gonna get the muffler connected. So, but I was looking over there. There's like a small, like that thing is almost touching right there. So I don't know if that's like that. I was trying to look at videos and nobody said anything about it, but it looks on the exhaust that it has like a little scrape or whatever. But hopefully when I put this on, the muffler on, it won't rattle or anything. So we'll just check that out. But also this, I don't know why that looks like that, but we'll check it out right now. Alrighty guys, so I just noticed that the hanger that was there was actually ripped, so I put it here and I put the good one there. That way, just for now, I could be able to hold this part. But this one was the one that fell off, so I'm gonna have to buy some. So I gotta wait on that. But I'm still putting this thing on because I want to drive this car. And you already know, me vale verga. Alrighty guys, so apparently called the advanced auto parts. Oh my god. And they have those hangers. So we're gonna go pick them up real quick. Cause if not, that thing looks all crooked. I ain't trying to have that. So we're gonna pick that up real quick. We're gonna go in the Subaru. And hopefully we find some people we can serve appetizers too, not the whole menu, just the appetizer. Alrighty guys, so we got the hanger, but this one looks different than the one we have, but fuck it, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it out. Man, pray to Jesus it can go on there, but we'll test it out right now. Alrighty guys, so since I couldn't find another one of those hangers, look what I did. Haha. So since the other one had a cut in it, I decided to wrap like a shitload of tape around it. So we'll see if that works. But if not, then alright guys, so from what I'm looking at, I was trying to put the hanger on that one, but it seems to be touching right there. So it's looking like I gotta grind it down. So I got my grinder real quick and I'm about to do that. Alrighty guys, so I grinded that piece off already. So this piece, oh shit, it's hot. But I use this real quick. So hopefully I'm gonna try to do it again. I use this dog leash because I don't got no rope or nothing. You know, you gotta improvise, but I'm gonna see right now if I could get it hanged right now. I forgot to add, guys, that you're gonna have to grind down some of this. I didn't grind much down, but like you gotta grind down all this. So that way this will fit. If not, it's gonna hit. That's what I noticed. So I just got stung by a freaking bee. I feel like I'm dying, but gotta finish the video. Well guys, the Miata's alive again, you know, so that's a good thing. But what I noticed here, you can tell right there that, oh man, the sun, it doesn't align right. My guess would be that I guess when it hit, it like disaligned, like it just freaking made it crooked or whatever, from starting from like right there, the intake manifold order. So I'm just assuming that it got bent. So till we go turbo head ass, till we change that, I guess I'll just keep it like that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna burn the thing, but fucking me vale verga. Nah, but yeah, I'm thinking about changing this whole piece, maybe. We got that done. So that'll be, it's pretty much the end of the video, guys. Suck my ass, leave a like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do, and I'll see you guys later.